There's the 6x6 Backcountry, Outlander 6x6 Backcountry 1000R in the crate, guys. Woohoo! Look at that. Oh, I can't wait to see inside that crate, guys. All right, guys, here we are. We're uncrating a 2026 Can-Am Outlander Backcountry 6x6. 30-inch tires right from the factory. And we're gonna get our first look at her here in just a few minutes, guys. Whew, I'm excited. I'm like a kid at Christmas, I was told. Sneak peek, boys. Sneak peek. Not much to see. '26 Outlander Backcountry 6x6. Right out of the crate. There it is. 30-inch tires. 6 of them all the way around this bad boy. Big old cargo dump box. 1,000-pound capacity on the back. Wow. Look at that suspension. Look at that box. Wow. This thing's a beauty. This thing's an absolute beauty. This one's a 1000R and it's in a stealth black. Max configuration, so it's set up for 2-up riding. And this customer is getting some nice accessories on it. Can't wait to see the accessories on it, guys. Okay. Then we just pop it out. It's a toolless removal on the tailgate. Nice and easy. See, guys? That's the first piece. Next piece, we're going to the sides. At the back, clip number 1. And at the front, check out this, guys. You got to do this piece as well. You got to just release it from the front. Then it slides back and up out of the guide holes. Nice and easy, fellas. Okay, same thing on this side. Back pin, front pin, slide it back, up and out, guys. We're almost there. She's almost in flat deck mode. Look at her. The last thing is the front piece. Now, this is not a toolless removal. There's 6 Torx head screws that go in. So, it's not toolless, but it is pretty easy. Just pops up and out from there. And now we are in full flat deck configuration. Look at that. What are you gonna put on the back of that, guys? All right, guys, now we're gonna put her back together. So we showed you taking it apart. We showed you it in flat deck mode. It's literally just the reverse of that. And you can see here these little handles and clips here you have to use to get the side panels on and off. Slide it forward, it clips in at the front. We got this one clip here at the back. Pop her down. Sides locked in place, fellas. Same thing on this side, nice and easy. How easy is that, man? What an awesome feature. I love that feature, actually. And then the last piece is the tailgate. Actually time it, but we just did a full breakdown and then put it all back together. My estimation is under 5 minutes. We're getting the heated grips put all on there. Gotta get these ones off first. And then we'll put the heated grips on after that. There's the kit. That is super cool rack, buddy. That's a super cool rack. There's your link brackets there, I assume. Yep. Oh, that's awesome, buddy. That's a good looking rack. Can't wait to see it on the machine. We got the quick attach and release link system here. Super easy to just lift her on and off. And then tighten her back on is as simple as popping that back into place. Sit on top of the rack, and he's gonna have storage underneath, and he's gonna have enclosed storage on top. He really accessorized this thing nicely. He's also got the rear heated grips. He's got the front heated grips, and we're putting a windshield on it for him. Yeah, this thing's gonna go out the door ready for the trails, guys, ready for the backcountry. Let's see her shine, buddy. That is sick, bro. It does sound really good, hey? It just sounds mean. It sounds mean. It looks mean too, like those LEDs are sharp. Front and back, those LEDs are sharp.